Sabi nila, every person we meet plays a role in our story.
I don't want another pretty face. I don't want just anyone to hold. I don't want my love to go to waste. I want you and you're beautiful.
Minsan, ka-schoolmate lang.
You're the one I wanna hold. I will let them...
Walang koneksyon, walang dahilan para pansinin. Pero what if, siya pala yung ending na matagal mo nang sinusulat?
I'll be your dream, I'll be your...
Uy, hi!
Sorry kami mag-walk. Meron naman.
I'll be your love, be everything that you need. I love you more.
Lagi silang nagkikita sa school. Makita lang niya si Charmaine ay everything looks so dreamy. Yung parang panaginip na lumiliwanag ang lahat. When you found that person, lahat gagawin mo makasama lang siya.
I wanna stand with you.
Ba't ang sweet nito?
I wanna be.
Minsan, maghihintay at magtiwala lang talaga ang kailangan.
Text ko kaya ito. Papansinin ka niya ako.
Uy, si Jason. Ba't kaya siya nag-message?
Pengen ang number mo.
Kinukuha number ko? Bakit po?
Siyempre, labas tayo minsan, di ba?
Hindi ito basta yes. Ito yung, sige na nga, ikaw na nga. Ngayon, wala nang hintayan sa gate. Wala nang tanungan kung kailan ulit magkikita. Dahil simula ngayon, sabay na nilang aabutin ang mga pangarap. They were never just schoolmates. They were always meant to be soulmates. Coming soon this September, the love story they never expected, but always prayed would come true.
If I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe, say you will. Say you will.
Charmaine and Jason, worth the wait.